God. Oh.
Just take the video. Very nice. That this is a special.
This is. Oh. Are you videoing? Oh my God.
Still is alive, that water.
That is the sound of the pig.
Oh, it's still alive.
Yes.
How is it still alive? Oh God.
This is all still young lions. When those young lions, they lack the experience of first suffocating and then start eating it. These ones, they never know when the next prey is coming or the next food will come. So they just start
They
eating.
just start eating wherever.
They don't care if they're still alive or not.
The young male that forward, she lives there. The water can damage this lion. Still can damage.
Oh.
Another one is busy suffocate, another one is busy eating.
Oh.
Only the girl hunts or the lion?
The male hunts as well. The males, this is still young males, so they all hunt together. But even with the adult males, if they by themselves, if the females is not close by, they need to eat, yeah. So they do hunt as well. But it's easier for them to stay with the females because the females hunt more. So the males, whenever they're with the females, they just take it from the females. So males hunt, yeah, but not as much though as the females. But these ones, they would have all, even the young males, they would have all participated in this hunt.
Oh my. Oh, look at me.
They would be very impressed when they kill. Because they don't kill a lot of things, especially with youngsters.